The first booster is frequent eating. Husbands love this one. Why? Every time you eat, you have to burn calories in order to digest your food and unlock the energy within your meal. Studies show that while you eat, your metabolism increases by 30% and lasts up to 3 hours. During Fiber 35, you can eat and will eat up to 5 to 6 times a day, which is about every 3 hours. This way, you will continually boost your metabolism throughout the day, even though you're reducing your number of calories.